Hi, good morning. I'm here to guide you how to use our new washing machine. Come and join me. Let me show you. Hi guys, it's me, briadventurez. I am giving you a quick guide how to use our new washing machine. Use it with care. Step number 1. Here you go. Our new washing machine. Come and join me. Let me show you how to use our new washing machine. Let's go inside the laundry area and kitchen. Let's show you how to use the new washing machine.
Set it for 30 minutes with an RPM of 800 spin and turn it on. Start, pause, just click play. And when you use the washing machine, make sure it's not more than 8 kg. And don't wash if it's only 3 or 2 or less, because it will damage the washing machine. And of course, if you're putting your powder, it has to be 100 ml and half cup of softener. I hope you guys love our new washing machine and enjoy using. Enjoy using. Thanks, it's me, briadventurez. Hey guys, this is how you use the washing machine. Okay, our dear friend will give us an instruction.
This is for half an hour. Okay. Select the program, press this one first. Powder, softener. If you want to pre-wash, you can go half of here, half of here. No need to pre-wash, normal wash with liquid. Same like this.
In the center.
Yes. Okay. This is for comfort.
Okay.
Half cup and half cup water. They allow the comfort. Okay. Select the program, press this one, it will be start. Same. Okay. And if you want to next program, finish the program, indicator will be comes to like this, wait for 3 minutes and open the door. Okay, if you want to next program, this is for cotton. If you want to reduce the time, you can go there. If you want to reduce the temperature, you can go there. If you want to reduce the RPM speed, you can go there and start. Okay. Same program, but it is time reduce, RPM reduce, temperature reduce if you want. Otherwise, as per program, you can go there. No problem. Finish the program, wait for 3 minutes and open the door, take in your room.
So preferably 30 minutes
30 minutes it is good and 1 hour.
and 1 hour, and this can
Yes.
this can have how many kg only? 8 kg.
8 kg.
8 kg. So now we're doing 30 minutes
30 minutes.
with 50 temperature and 50 degrees Celsius,
This is for RPM
and
speed.
RPM spin is 1000.
Okay.
Okay, it's working. We should have put some salt.
Drain the water. Okay. See. I'll drain the water.
You drain the water.
Now I'll
So in
manual.
a drain.
I can go manual, but you are not go manual. As per program, you can go there. Finish the program, automatically spin, drain, wash. Finish. Indicator will become so like this. Wait for 3 minutes and open the door. Take it your cool. That's it. Okay, my friend.
Okay. Thank you so much. And
Welcome.
so just to repeat again, use 30
Use 30
and
half
then
an hour.
half an hour.
If you want cotton wash, you can go there. If you want to normal wash, you can go there. Wool, silk, okay? That's it. As per program, you can go there.
After
if you
that,
want to reduce,
after we press here,
no, you comes to here.
yeah,
This is for half an hour.
half an hour.
And this is for 1 hour. This is for 3 hours. If you want, you can go there.
No,
Otherwise,
3
no.
hours is crazy. So we'll
you
do it.
reduce there. No, you reduce the time. See,
Okay. We'll do the 30
30 minutes.
all the time.
30 minutes. All the time.
30 minutes with 800 spin.
If you want. Otherwise, as per program coming.
Can you increase that higher?
800
for 30.
30 temperature, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And then
Start.
okay? And then after use, before you take out your clothes, wait for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Then
Always
open the door.
wait for 3 minutes
And
and
open
then
the door.
open the door.
Okay, my friend?
Well, thank you so much for the very
Welcome.
informative detail of using the washing machine of Briadventurez. Good morning, guys. So if you use the washing machine, it should not be more than 8 kilogram. Okay, you put your stuff inside, and of course, close it. It's already power on, and then make sure to put it on 30 mode to refresh. 30 is here. There you go. With 800 steam RPM, and then you put inside 100 ml of powder, and of course we add also softener, half glass of softener, half cup of softener. Slowly close, and we close. There you go. Done. And you turn it on. As simple as that. And it's good to go. Wait for 30 minutes. Enjoy the washing. Love it. It's me, Briadventurez.